How to get naturally glowing skin. 10 home remedies for radiant skin. Everyone wants that healthy, natural glow, but sometimes achieving it can feel like a mystery. Fear not. Glowing skin is more than just a beauty trend. It's a reflection of overall health and wellness. While beauty products promise instant results, the truth is that your glow-up can start right at home with simple, natural remedies. Here's how to enhance your skin's radiance with everyday items and practices that promote long-lasting glow. Your skin, the body's largest organ, is constantly exposed to pollutants, stress, and environmental factors. Taking care of it should be a priority. Dull or dry skin can take a toll on your confidence, but with the right steps, you can turn things around and achieve glowing skin from the inside out. Let's dive into the top 10 tips that will leave your skin radiant and revitalized. 1. Soothe your skin with virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is a multitasking powerhouse, packed with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. This wonder oil can hydrate, soothe, and protect your skin. Coconut oil has been shown to improve moisture retention and provide a healthy glow by nourishing the skin from within. You can use coconut oil to remove makeup without stripping moisture, soothe irritation and calm redness, hydrate your skin for a dewy look. Massage a small amount onto your skin and let it absorb before rinsing off with a gentle cleanser. However, avoid coconut oil if you have oily or acne-prone skin, as it may clog pores for some. 2. Boost healing with aloe vera. Aloe vera is famous for its healing properties and ability to promote new cell growth. Whether your skin is sunburned or simply stressed, aloe vera offers a soothing solution. It moisturizes without clogging pores and leaves your skin looking fresh and glowing. To use, apply a small amount of aloe vera gel directly to your skin after cleansing. It's always good to perform a patch test to ensure you aren't allergic to the plant before applying it to larger areas. 3. Proper moisturizing for all skin types. A well-moisturized face is key to glowing skin. After washing your face, seal in the moisture with a hydrating product that contains antioxidants and skin-healing properties. Whether your skin is oily or dry, moisturizing is non-negotiable. For best results, apply your moisturizer while your skin is still damp. This locks in extra hydration and leaves your skin soft and plump. 4. Wear sunscreen every day. Sunscreen is the ultimate anti-aging product. It not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays, but also prevents photoaging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and sunspots. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or higher daily is a crucial step toward achieving healthy, glowing skin. Even on cloudy or rainy days, UV rays can still damage your skin, so make sunscreen a daily habit for long-term benefits. 5. Cleanse consistently, but not too often. Finding the right balance in your cleansing routine is essential for glowing skin. Too much cleansing can strip your skin of natural oils, while too little can leave impurities behind, clogging pores. A gentle, regular routine, washing your face in the morning, after exercise, and before bed, is ideal for keeping your skin clear and radiant. 6. Avoid smoke and secondhand smoke. If you're aiming for glowing skin, cigarettes are your worst enemy. Smoking increases oxidative stress on your skin cells, causing them to age prematurely. This leads to dull, tired-looking skin that's prone to wrinkles and fine lines. If you smoke, quitting is not only beneficial for your overall health, but also for achieving that healthy, glowing complexion. 7. Drink more water. Hydration is one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to achieve glowing skin. Your skin cells are composed primarily of water, so staying hydrated helps them function optimally. Drinking enough water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin looking fresh and luminous. Aim for at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. If you struggle to get enough water, try infusing it with fruits like lemon or cucumber for added flavor and benefits. 8. Nourish your skin from the inside out. What you put into your body shows on your skin. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like omega-3s can work wonders on your complexion. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts can protect your skin from oxidative stress and give it a healthy glow. Conversely, processed foods with high sugar content can lead to inflammation and breakouts. Opt for natural, whole foods to feed your skin the nutrients it needs to shine. 9. Incorporate probiotics for a healthy glow. Probiotics don't just benefit your gut, they also enhance your skin's health. These beneficial bacteria help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system, all of which contribute to clearer, more radiant skin. Research shows that probiotics can even help with conditions like acne and rosacea, so consider adding a probiotic supplement to your daily routine or consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kimchi. 10. Keep your showers short. Long, hot showers may feel relaxing, but they're not great for your skin. Prolonged exposure to hot water can strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and lackluster. Instead, aim for shorter, lukewarm showers to maintain your skin's moisture levels. For an added bonus, finish your shower with a blast of cooler water to improve circulation and give your skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. Conclusion: your natural glow awaits. Achieving glowing skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By incorporating these simple home remedies and lifestyle changes into your routine, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and enjoy a radiant complexion every day. Remember, glowing skin is not just about what you apply on the outside, but also how you treat your body from within. So, whether it's hydrating with water, eating the right foods, or protecting your skin from the sun, these tips will help you unlock your natural glow and feel your best. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.